In the name of Allah, who is most gracious and merciful. Hello, guys, how are you? I think so, you all are fine. If you are new on my channel, please follow and subscribe my channel Agriculture with Behraz for more and more information about agriculture, because agriculture is the economy of every country. So follow, please like and follow my channel and also like my video. If you are interested to about agriculture, please put and comment. So next, I made the video for you for your information. And today our most important topic is biodiversity and ecosystem. Biodiversity and ecosystem is most important in agriculture and also in environment. So now we discuss about biodiversity and the ecosystem. Biodiversity is all the different kind of life you will find in one area. The variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up of our natural world. Each of these species and organism work together in an ecosystem like an intricate web to maintain balance and support life. Now we discuss about in detail what is the relationship between biodiversity and ecosystem function. Increasing species diversity can influence ecosystem in functions such as productivity by increasing the likelihood that species will complementary resources, and can also increase the likelihood that a particularly productive or efficient species is present in the community. And so now we discuss about the role of biodiversity in the ecosystem. Ecological life support biodiversity provide functional ecosystem that supply oxygen, clean air and water. Pollution of plants, pollination of plants, pest control, waste water treatment, and many ecosystem services. Many recreational pursuits rely on the unique biodiversity such as bird watching, hiking, camping, and fishing. So now I discuss about the most important three type of biodiversity in the ecosystem. Levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity is usually explored at three levels: genetic biodiversity, species, and ecosystem diversity. These three levels work together to create the complexity of life on Earth. Most important three: number one, genetic biodiversity; number three, species diversity; and ecosystem diversity. Now we discuss about the ecosystem function. Ecosystem function is the capacity of natural processes and components to provide goods and services that satisfy human needs, either directly or indirectly. And so now we discuss about what are two main parts of ecosystem. Every ecosystem has two components, namely biotic component and abiotic component. For example, biotic component, as example, living components. Abiotic, non-living components. Biotic components refer to all living organisms in an ecology, while refer to non-living things. The biotic and abiotic interaction maintain the equilibrium in the environment. Now we discuss about what is the largest ecosystem in the world. The ocean. The ocean is the planet largest ecosystem, regularly the climate and providing livestock for billions. So now we discuss this in detail. Biodiversity and ecosystem, because biodiversity and ecosystem is the most and main important of topic of our video. So now we discuss about biodiversity and ecosystem. Biodiversity is the name given to the variety of ecosystem, natural capital, species and genes in the world or in the particular habitat. It is essential to human well-being as it delivers services that sustain our economies and societies. Biodiversity is also crucial to ecosystem services. The services that nature supplies, such as pollination, climate regulation, flood protection, soil fertility, and production of fuel and fuel fiber medicines. And now we discuss about the policies to the topic. The biodiversity strategies to 2020 follows on from the biodiversity action plans. Now, at last, we discuss about what are the four major ecosystem processes. And this is the most important four ecosystem processes: energy flow, water cycle, nutrient cycle, and community dynamics. So this is our main topic, biodiversity and ecosystem. So if you don't like or subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Agriculture with Behral for more and more information. So thank you for watching this video till, and thank you so much. Take care, Allah Hafiz.